The coolest thing about the 1986 Corvette that I have is the digital dash. It was my favorite thing. Still looked futuristic, kind of looked like Knight Rider. There were no problems with this car. It's 37 years old. It has 37,000 miles on it. But if you look here, these LCDs were blown out because I had to park it at a friend's house. It got direct sunlight. I was getting a new driveway poured, and I couldn't have it at my house at the moment. So it got a lot of sun. So I swapped the odometer onto this brand new rebuilt one. Well, the LCD panels are brand new, and got it off eBay, put it in the car, and then crossed my fingers and prayed. If it's going to work, it's going to light up right now, and it'll make me very happy if it does. Holy smokes. Oh, I'm happy. Oh, that's so freaking glorious. I want to check out my RPMs. Oh, it works. All right, I'm super excited now. I hope I can get this wrestled into place without damaging anything and get the dash put back together. Oh, that's going to look amazing. A lot of people talk crap about the C4 Corvettes, and, you know, I see their point on a lot of things, but I still love them. Growing up in the 80s, it's an iconic car for me. I love it.